Hello and welcome back to our unboxing videos. It's been a while. We have 2 boxes today, so let's get going. So right off the bat, looks like we've got some great kids books. The latest in the Nancy Drew Diaries. This looks like a nice YA book, All the Tides of Fate. Tell No Tales. I'm guessing that's a graphic novel book. Little Goddess Girls. And this one we've been waiting for a while, so I'm glad it's in. King and the Dragonflies. The High Rise in Fort Pierce. Latest Thea Stilton book. We've got Julie Andrews' book that she did with her daughter. Ancestors Approved. Johnny Appleseed. The Alice Network. Reese's Book Club Pick. Reign of Wolf 21. Ooh. Latest in the Babysitter's Club graphic novel book, I believe. Yeah. We've got some dog diaries. Wench. Nora Roberts, The Awakening. That looks like it might be large print. It is large print. Wuhan Diary. Kristen Hanna, The Four Winds. Let's see what's tucked in here. A Plea for Constant Motion. Yep, Susan Mallory, The Vineyard at Painted Moon. J.A. Gramps, Missing and Endangered. The Power Couple. Got Charles Todd, A Fate Alive. Whoa. J.D. Robb's latest, Faithless in Death. And let's see what's over here. The Good German. Geronimo Stilton's graphic novel. We started that up. Paddler's Guide to Algonquin Park. That'll be good for the summer. Downfall by Robert Ottenberg. Oh, latest in the Amulet series. Oh, I got a French copy. Forgot about that. Another French one. Butter Honey Pig Bread. Looks like a Scotiabank dealer prize. This is the latest children's book from Karen Kingsbury. And it looks like we've got some audiobooks. J.D. Robb's CD. Let's take a look. Comfort and Hope. Another audiobook. Bill Bryson, A Short History of Nearly Everything. That sounds good. And Together, The Healing Power of Human Connection in a Sometimes Lonely World. And the last one in this book is The Lost Spells. Alright, so let's get rid of that box. And now we're moving on to book number 2. Box number 2, sorry. Oh, we've got a Julie Quinn one. If you've enjoyed Bridgerton, that's the author who did that. Latest in the Peter and Ernesto book, graphic book series. The Total Deer Hunter Manual. We've got a Captain America graphic novel, Winter Soldier. Birdsong, picture book on won a lot of prizes this past year. Pasca, which is Mac Barnett's Just Because in French. The Linux Bible for anyone who hates the Windows operating system. The book tour, neat cover. We got a Martha Stewart. Let's see what she's up to. Very Good Things, clever tips for an easier, more enjoyable life. Growing Undercover. Looks like we're gearing up for some spring and summer. Everything That Burns. Emmett. Adventures in Eden. Ooh, this one's Private Gardens in Europe. Oh, looks lovely. It's a heavy one. Sanjay Gupta. Keep Sharp. Oh, look at this giant one down here. The Lost Words. We've got another Julia Quinn. It's a Bridgerton novel as well. City of the Play God. Rick Riordan presents that one. Should be good. Middle School Field Trip Fiasco with James Patterson. We've got Infidel Movie. And a whole bunch of movies over there we'll go through. One second. We've got A Western Straight at a Dodge City. Agatha Christie. Whoops, excuse me. The Killings at Kingfisher Hall. It's a large print edition. And it's Debbie Macomber book. All right, let's see what's in these movies. The Croods, A New Age. Ladybug, Ladybug. Mr. Topaz. Green Eggs and Ham. From the Vine. A Regular Woman. Elizabeth is Missing. And My Dog's Stupid. Sounds great. Thanks for another unboxing video joining me here. Remember, give us a couple weeks to catalog and process all these books. And you can always call the library to put any of these on reserve.